How to transfer your photos and videos to Photobucket on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos and videos to Photobucket on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down, click settings, and here just go down again until you find transfer copy of your information, and here just click next and then click Google Photobucket here, and click next. Now just connect your Facebook with Photobucket, and it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.